On number 3 it says, our new magazine initially sells 300 copies per month. Research indicates that a vigorous advertising campaign could increase sales by 20% each month if our market were unlimited. But research also indicates that magazine sales in our area are unlikely to exceed 1,200 per month. Make a logistic model of projected magazine sales. So we need to figure out a lot of information or define a lot of information that's in our problem. So K is the carrying capacity or the limiting value. So on this one, that's going to be 1,200. For B, that's going to be K over n of 0. N of 0 is the initial value. So K over n of 0 minus 1. So that's going to be 1,200 over the initial value is 300, and I'm subtracting 1. So this should get you 3. And then R is the ln of A, where A is the corresponding growth factor in the absence of limiting factors. So they tell us in the problem that it would increase by 20% if our market were unlimited. So the 20%, that's going to be the ln. I can't put 20% automatically in there, or 0.20. I need to put it as the growth factor, so I need to write it as 1.20. So let me make a note of that here. This is coming from the 20%. So then ln of 1.20, that is equal to 0.182. So then this gives us enough information to make our logistic model. So it's going to be 1,200 over 1 plus 3 e to the negative 0.182t. So this will be our logistic model.